Get him, get the cross of the king, let him rule.
I am your servant, Father, your servant, and the son of your handmaid.
All right, Your Highness, let's move.
Jesus is made to carry his cross. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
Dear, you have to become a doctor.
No, Daddy, I want to become a teacher. Allow me to do my wish.
No, the money is mine. Therefore, the decision is mine. You must obey whatever I say.
Dear Jesus, you are forced to carry the cross by the soldiers. In the same manner, youth are also made to carry cross of force and demand in the family. This heavy burden leads them to carry these crosses every day in their life. They are being suppressed to fulfill their desires by their parents. Prayer. Lord Jesus, the cross is a symbol of total self-giving. It is a total commitment to rededicate our love to you. But there are times when the cross gets heavier and heavier in the life of the youth. At such time, Jesus, help us to understand that you are there to lift us up and to help us to carry our cross. Help us, Jesus, to be compassionate towards those carry their cross in daily life. Have mercy on us, O Lord, have mercy on us.